Hello and welcome to Code with Juni. In this tutorial, we will be learning the Python programming language. For the purpose of these tutorials, we will be using PyCharm. Let's create a new project. A PyCharm folder has been created by default, so we just enter our project name. Then, we will leave everything as it is. This is a default screen. We will just clear everything. So, this is the interface we will be using for the tutorials. Let's just run a line of code. This line of code is used to print a text onto the screen or console. In the next tutorial, we will be discussing the output and input syntax. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more.